Mr. Tumble.
We also need to pop this balloon, but we need to get it down first. Down! Got it!
Pop it then. I think you need to lie on it.
Today we're doing some repairs to the decking. Part of it had rotted away over the winter where it sat beneath the planter box. We're going to cut out all of the rotten wood and replace it with healthy timber. We spent the rest of the afternoon finishing the deck ready for staining. We also took time out to demolish an old mini greenhouse, which we can't take with us when we move to the new house. It was partially made from decking boards, which we needed to facilitate our repairs. This is the decking repair stress test. And it's a pass. We need to leave the areas that we've cleaned to dry overnight, and then tomorrow we can stain it.
We had quite a successful day, but it rained.
Yeah, overnight it rained and the decking is wet, so we're going to have to wait till it dries out before we can stain it.
So we're going to take the wood to the tip, so let's go.
we've just figured out that the greenhouse door is a little bit springy. So we're going to try and have the greenhouse trampoline. Is it springy? Right, let's get to it. Wow, look at that big bird up there, that's huge. That's massive. We'll go this way. I can hear stuff rolling around in the back.
Oh, there's roller skating again.
You see?
By the time we'd left the recycling centre, it was lunchtime. Farrah and I were starting to think about food. As we discussed what we might eat, something triggered Farrah to think about McDonald's.
Do you realise now you've got a phone you can ring more and place an order? What? Are you having hoops? Oh, right, that's fine.
When am I going to try a Big Mac?
Imagine going through a drive-thru and driving that. So are you excited?
Yeah.
Tell them what we're going to do.
So I've never had a Big Mac before. So today I'm going to try a Big Mac and we're at McDonald's.
So at age 10, whoa, look at that big sign in front of us. At age 10, you're old enough to have a Big Mac, is that the deal?
Yeah.
We have done quite enough work this weekend, I think we deserve it. Mum's going to be like, where are you two? Oh, just been having a Big Mac. So, 2 Big Mac meals. What drink you having? Diet Coke?
And French fries.
Yeah, you get that with a meal.
Well, you can tell I've never had.
Yeah, there's none of this, what do you get with Happy Meals? Carrots and
No, I
celery
get
sticks, fries. But you can get like, to be honest, the carrots and the fries look the same half the time. Or do you know what we could do?
What?
We could order the same as the person in front. If that's a YouTube thing. Can we have what they're having, please? Although, to be honest,
It looks like he's got loads.
I'm going to say it looks like he's ordered a feast. I think we'll stick to his first Big Mac.
Maybe next time.
Yeah, his order was like £15.
I want to put those. What's the bit?
Could I have 2 Big Mac meals, please, with Diet Cokes, please?
Yeah, medium or large?
Just medium, please.
2 Big Mac with Diet Coke, or Coke?
2 with Diet Coke, 2 Big Mac meals with Diet Coke on both of them.
Anything else?
No thanks.
Cheers.
Look at that. Mozzarella dippers with a Big Mac.
Oof. Game over if you've fallen on your face, passed out. Full.
What? Oh, full. I wondered what you meant. Look at that bin, it's got its own parking space.
And then someone goes right on your butt. Game over.
Someone would write game over on your butt?
Yes.
What if you ate mozzarella dippers and a Grand Mac?
Passed out on the floor.
And then we could end the video with that, that's what you could do.
McDonald's is Uber Eats.
McDonald's does Uber Eats?
Yeah.
Oh well, if you like Big Macs you can maybe order one. That's dangerous for some people.
What do you mean?
Just ordering Big Macs to your house.
Why? Dangerous?
Because you just eat lots. When you eat loads of burgers, the least you can do is burn some energy to come out and get it.
True.
Although we could do a 10 Big Mac challenge.
I'll probably throw up.
So would I. I think the most I ever ate was 5. Here's the moment of truth, Farrah. Perfect, thank you very much. Alright.
I'm used to having a little Happy Meal box.
And now we've got the big doofus box.
I've never actually felt that.
I don't know if there's actually anywhere to park.
Say actually a lot.
Oh, he's thinking that spot. I say actually a lot.
Actually.
Actually, I do.
What is that car?
Which car?
That blue one? You see it?
Oh, the Beetle.
Yeah.
Right, you know how normally you do best till last?
Yes.
You can't do that with a Big Mac, you have to go straight in for the...
Why do you do that to me? Why? No. Oh, look, it's
Come on,
everywhere.
get your first bite in, let's see what you look like.
It tastes like a burger.
It's a Big Mac.
Not very big.
What's the verdict? You've got the essential bit of burger sauce on your lip, so you need to do the tongue lick. Yeah! Right, I'm going to eat mine. We're doing a lot of burger eating on our channel.
I found a gherkin in mine.
Yeah, they have gherkins. Do you like gherkins?
Only in burgers. What? Why is this bun so big?
That's the inexperience of eating a burger. It's not. It's because you've got a little mouth, and when you've squeezed it, the middle burger has slid out from the force of the burger sauce. Gives it like, what's the word I'm looking for? A lack of friction. So what you're probably best doing. Don't worry, that happens to most people when you have your first Big Mac. Apart from the gherkin falling out of your mouth, the middle bun shoots out, so you'll have to flip it and eat it backwards. When you become seasoned, you know you have to eat a burger under compression so that your burgers stay in alignment. It also is giving you a lot more burger sauce on the lips. So, what was your verdict on your first Big Mac?
Very slippery but delicious.
Delicious. Would you go back to a Happy Meal?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, because she loves carrot sticks.
You don't even get. You have to order them separately.
You're a rabbit, you carrot stick lover.
That's Mum.
Guess what we've done?
What?
Tell Mum what you've done.
I had a Big Mac for the first time ever.
What? Was it good? Oh,
It was slippery.
slippery.
Yeah.
You know when you eat a burger?
Yeah.
And the middle bun scoops out the back?
Oh. Are you having one again?
Well, she's going back to Happy Meals because she prefers carrot sticks.
I don't.